Hansshow full-width strip taillight installation. You need a wrench to remove the 2 nuts behind the left taillight. Use this taillight as your starting point. After remove of the 2 nuts, remove the wire harness attached to the taillight and the vehicle and pull the taillight directly towards yourself while standing directly behind the taillight. Pull this directly towards yourself so you don't break the clip. Do the same thing for the right side before you remove the trim from the liftgate. After you remove the 2 trim from the liftgate, do the same for the inner taillight on the liftgate. It's 1 nut and 2 clips. Then step 2, work on the wire harness. Running the wire along the weather strip on your Tesla vehicle. You can lift up the weather strip or tuck in. Then once you reach the conduit on the top right of the liftgate, go ahead and flatten up the wire, reinstall the conduit. That will ensure a seal tight installation, preventing any water leak. Step 3, connect the wires from the actual harness that you just ran across the weather strip. Connect it to the rear left taillight and the right taillight. Once you install the wires, it has enough tension. Go ahead and reinstall the taillight on the left hand side and the right hand side. So this will be the step 3. Step 4, go ahead and place the strip bar and run the wires from the strip bar through the opening of the inner taillight from both right and left side. You can do a test fit first before pulling off the adhesive. So make sure this lines up accordingly. And once you have it adhere to your vehicle, give it a little press. Step 5, now connect the light bar to the inner housing lights, and this will provide a sequence light show as well as illumination once your light's on. Now reconnect the inner light housing to your vehicle harness and reattach the nuts. Now it's fully installed. Reinstall all the cover and you're good to go. In summary, make sure you review this list as well as take note of these cautions.